Alright guys, welcome back to Drive It Out. My name is Adam. We are here at the Detroit Auto Show and we are here to do the ride along in the Ranger Raptor here at the Ford booth. So let's see what this is all about. I'm really excited about this Ranger Raptor. How you doing today, man?
Good, how are you?
Good, what's your name?
My name's Tyler.
Tyler's gonna take us for a ride.
So first time in the new Ranger Raptor?
Yes.
Alright, well welcome. One of the cool features that we're in right now is what they call rock crawl mode. So basically all that does is just kind of changes the display, changes the shock dynamics and the steering dynamics. One really cool feature about the new Raptor Ranger is you can do it all right here on the fly of the steering wheel. So right now this is basically normal steering wheel input, so if you're going down the road, anything like that. But what I love about it is you can quickly switch over. Like right now I like to drive it in off-road mode. Makes the steering wheel input just a little bit more dynamic. Same thing with the shock package. So normal, sport, and off-road. Off-road kind of lets the suspension be a little bit more free on us, as well as the exhaust sound. So as you can kind of hear, it's kind of throaty right now.
Yeah.
Right now you can't really hear it because we got quiet. I'll just show you the difference here. So this right here is what we call our twist ditch. Really cool thing about the Ranger Raptors is they do come with front and rear differential lockers. So right now we'll turn on that rear differential locker. That forces both rear tires to rotate together at the same time, because obviously there's going to be a couple tires coming off the ground here a little bit.
Oh, yeah, there it is.
You can see right through there, no problem.
Awesome.
3-liter twin turbo, 10-speed automatic. One of my favorites though is the paddle shifted 10-speed. This right here is what they call Bronco Mountain. Go ahead and turn on that rear differential locker again here.
This looks pretty steep.
Yeah, it's about 32 degrees up here at the top.
Wow.
Woo. You can see right here on the dash, it even shows you kind of what you're looking at.
That's awesome. We're up pretty high.
Yeah. Another cool thing is the trail control. So I'm not touching the brake pedal at all right now. This is Raptor doing its own thing for us. Kind of takes all the guessing out of it for you.
Oh, that's awesome.
We're gonna turn on that rear diff lock again here. This is our side hill.
That's pretty steep too.
Yeah, again, on the rock crawl mode, like I said, it kind of changes up your display here a little bit. You can kind of see your steering wheel input and pitch and roll, sitting at about a 20-degree angle. Very stable, very safe.
That animation on the dash is awesome.
Yeah, isn't that cool?
I love how you can do that on the fly.
Yeah, it's my favorite.
And from the wheel.
Yep.
That's awesome.
Not too bad, right? They did a really good job with them. They're really cool. They're fun to drive.
They offered, this is 2024?
Yep.
Awesome. Man, that is too cool.
All right.
Hey man, we really appreciate the ride.
Absolutely, thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Hey, thanks a lot.
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks for watching, guys. This again was the Ranger Raptor here at the Detroit Auto Show. We'll see you guys in the next video.
Awesome.